MCDM and AI. And if you are what I would say, if you are trying to find a way to use the information of this study for practical uses like defense, scientific underwater scientific studies, film shoots, drones, underwater drone activities like this, then also we can devise the pathway for that with the help of the same MCDM and AI techniques. Okay, so there are three-pronged approach. You can achieve three objective by going to the three different direction. So you have to choose only one. You cannot go to all direction or to